Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a crispy iceberg salad with a crunchy almond crust. So the first thing I did was just toast some almonds, so 50 grams of, just a couple of ounces of just flaked almonds, just put in a pan with about a tablespoon of, I used ghee, but butter or oil would be fine. So I've just left them there to cool. And then we're going to prepare our lettuce. So we want a nice, good old-fashioned iceberg lettuce. I'm just going to cut it in half. This is quite a large one, so I'll probably just use half. We're going to cut it into 4 wedges. So 1, 2. Just pop it on a serving platter. If there's a core, you can just cut that out. I'll mix up my dressing. So I've got 4 tablespoons of mayo there, and just going to pop in 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, so some homemade yogurt, but any Greek plain yogurt will be great. I like it quite rich, so I go for more mayo than yogurt, but if you like it a bit lighter, you could do 3 tablespoons of each. So just going to give that a stir, a little taste. Actually, it's quite salty from the mayo. So then we're going to just dress our salad. So I just want to pour the dressing just on one side of the wedge, so you can still see lots of the lovely green leaves, and the dressing kind of soaks into the lettuce, which is really yummy. To get like crunchy and creamy, it's really good. And then we're just going to sprinkle our cooled nuts and stick them on the side there. And finish off with some pepper, and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for weekly email updates, you'll get a free e-cookbook full of simple dinner ideas just like this one.